In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a shared link in Dropbox 2025. The process is pretty straightforward and allows you to easily share your files and collaborate with others. So let's get started. First, you'll need to log into your Dropbox account by visiting dropbox.com. Once you're logged in, navigate through your files and folders to find the one you'd like to share. Take your time here to ensure you have the correct item, as there's nothing worse than accidentally sharing the wrong file. As you hover over the file or folder, you'll notice a share button appearing to the right. Go ahead and click that share button. This action will open a new window or pop up with several options for sharing your file. At this point, you have a couple of routes you can take depending on your needs. If you just want to quickly share a link, simply click on Copy Link. This will copy a shareable link to your clipboard that you can paste into an email, message, or wherever you need it. For those of you who are subscribed to a Dropbox plan, you have some additional customization options. At the bottom right of the pop-up, look for a gear icon and click on it to open the link settings. By doing this, you'll have access to advanced sharing options that can be quite helpful. In the link settings, you'll find the Link for Editing tab. Here you can select who will have access to edit the file under the Who Has Access section. This is especially useful when you're working on collaborative projects and need others to make changes to the file. Another useful feature is the ability to set an expiration date for your link. This means your link will only be accessible up to the date you specify, adding an extra layer of security by ensuring the link won't last forever. Additionally, you can also choose to protect your link with a password, providing yet another layer of protection for those more sensitive files. Once you've customized your link settings to your satisfaction, click Copy Link again to finalize your setup. If you also want to create a view-only link, navigate over to the Link for Viewing tab. If there isn't already a link available, you'll need to click Create Link to generate a view-only version. After creating your link, once again choose who can access it, either anyone with the link or only people invited. Feel free to set an expiration date or add a password for enhanced security. Finally, click Copy Link to wrap it all up. That's it. You now have a versatile tool for sharing your Dropbox files securely and effectively. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the like button if you found this guide helpful. See you next time.